Hi kawaii cuties, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is a keychain made by Combine all the things we learned so far. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe rynastudio. Here's what we need: 1 roulette cake, 2 red hearts and 1 white heart, a keyring, metal connectors and chain, green yarn, and of course a crochet hook. For the leaf, use green yarn to make a magic ring. Inside the ring, crochet 3 chain, 1 treble crochet, 3 chain, and 1 slip stitch into the magic ring. Repeat this 5 times to complete your cute little leaf. Now pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Then place the same yarn on your hook and crochet a long chain. Advance a chain. After that, make 3 single crochet around the keyring. Cut the yarn and you're done. Use the metal connector to attach the keyring to the rolled cake. Now place the white heart in the center and the 2 red hearts on each side. Then glue them together so it looks like a cute little biscuit. Now use the metal connector to attach the heart to the chain and then connect the chain to the keyring. And ta-da! Your awesome keychain is ready! If you love easy tutorials, make sure to check out the beginners playlist. Don't forget to subscribe us!